Today we're going to make an inexpensive quick meal. Today I'm going to use pork boneless country style ribs. They're just small ribs, and I've only found one place to buy these exactly like these, and that's at Hueytown Food Giant in Alabama. Now I'm going to open them up. These are good for grilling too. But me, I'm going to barbecue these, but I don't want to go out into the grill. So I'm going to cook them in my spark pot. They'll be so tender. So I'm going to take these out. They're already thawed. I thawed them in some cold water for about 20 minutes. And I got to put my water in here. I'm going to put about a cup of water in the bottom of my smart pot. Let me just bring this over here. Then I'm going to put my short ribs in here. Break them apart. All right, then we're going to put it on our smart pot. Now, I don't know what everybody else cooks theirs on. I'm going to be cooking mine on stew for about 45 minutes. Now, we're going to let that cook for about 45 minutes, and then we'll finish it up with some barbecue sauce. I'll put it on the stove, put some barbecue sauce in it, and then I'll pair it with some vegetables. Now, as you can see, I've taken it out of my smart pot, and we put it in a skillet, put our barbecue sauce on it, and it's really good and tender. And this right here is the end result. It's a quick, easy meal and very inexpensive. And as you can see, I put macaroni and cheese, potatoes, and some tomatoes. And Teresa's famous homemade biscuits. So I hope you try this, and if you do, just let me know how you liked it. Thank you.